LS 430, 01 LS 430. The plastic piece broke off. See, goes there. I'm going to attempt to glue it. This has to go in, and it's held by this plastic here, which pushes the door back. This here, click. Gonna be using Rapid Fuse. It worked for about 2 years. It's not the first time it broke. I'm gonna add it here.
Yeah.
I glued it here all along. See, the problem is there's no support for this. I'm gonna put something back here so it's not so much pressure on it. I put a magnet that I had, which fits perfectly. There's no pressure coming down from the spring in here, and the spring pushes the lock mechanism back. I put a little piece of paper to give it some support, glued it all around here, and glued it there. I'm gonna put some paper back here behind the plastic to support it. Hopefully that holds. Just gonna put a tiny piece of paper behind the plastic with glue on it. Managed to get some paper behind it. I'm gonna fill it with glue.